Bitcoin, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis when the price was within this move, exactly here we mentioned we can look for buy, but this is what we get. That was even we didn't have the proper trade setup. Okay, anyway, now we want to see what's the next. As we can see that we get the bigger correction relative to this. Okay, now we want to see how we can look for trade. Anyway, we start with higher time frame. We start with daily chart. As we mentioned in, last analysis, we mentioned we're looking for the reversal. The only question was whether we can get the consolidation here before we get the reversal or not. Okay, and we don't have anything else to discuss based on daily chart. We move to forward chart. The only things we can mention based on forward chart, we're looking at this, and we want to see whether this is can give us one more drop or not. Because for sure, if we get one more drop in relative to this with this correction, any reversal can give us better confirmation. But if this one can give us a bigger correction, that means we'll be longer time within this. And any buy setup within this can be considered as a short-term buy. Okay, but either we get a down move before we get the reversal, or if the price reverse from here, we if we get, in both option, both cases, if we get any trade setup, we look for trade. What I want to say is that we're looking for buy, either the price reverse from here, or we wait for the price to give us one more drop before we get the reversal. The only thing is, if we get any trade setup within this move, as long as the price haven't broke this top, we consider as a short term. Now we want to see how we can look for trade. In this case, we move to 1 hour chart, and what I can see here. Okay, first we talk about this correction. Can we put this two in relative to each other? And can we consider this is the one is going to retest this low and break this low with following by this low? Okay, if this happen, it can give us better confirmation for the reversal. But how about if the price reverse from here? How we can look for trade? One of the option is to have entry above this. And the another option, we should wait for the sharp move. Like rather than that, we don't have any other option to look for the trade. Okay, because what we get here, we can put different way as a flat to each other. We can relate it to each other. That's why we don't want to make it really complex. Either we put this two in relative to this and make this one give us one more drop, or the price can continue from here with the sharp move flag. We'll take it, and with the breakout of this top, we start to manage. Or then another option, in case the price can sharply continue from here, we can have entry above this top, either above this or here. It depends on the traders. But what we want the price break and continue. But if the price tag we see it's not moving within the first or second hour, we take out the trade. But I need to mention here, having entry above the top is really risky, because we can consider this one can tend to a more bigger consolidation. That's why any trade should be a short-term trade. As long as we get into the profit, we start to manage, simply because of what we get here was a really sharp move. Okay, anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.